If you're an admirer of character homes, then this home is for you. I'm Janelle with Remax, and I'm in the lovely Cedar Cottage neighborhood at 1325 East 17th, and let me show you the beautiful features of this home. As you first walk into this home, you can see all the beautiful character elements, like the original casing, doors, and fir floors. My favorite room in this house is the bright south-facing living room. There's a gas fireplace, picture railings, and their original built-in bookshelves. The main house has 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, making it a great family home. There is also a recently added 1-bedroom suite with its own amenities, which is great for extended family and guests. There's a great patio for entertaining family and friends, and there's a delightful garden with fruit trees and garden beds. This home sits on a wide 50-foot lot, and there are great views of the North Shore Mountains. Thanks for joining me on this lovely tour. Please get in touch with me to schedule a viewing.